Before we begin, I would like to warmly welcome each and every one of you to this channel and sincerely thank you for spending your valuable time with us today. By watching this video, you are not only improving your English speaking and listening skills, but also learning powerful life lessons that can help you become happier, stronger, and more positive in your daily life. This video will help you in many important ways. You will improve your English pronunciation and listening skills through simple and clear English. You will learn useful vocabulary and practical expressions for daily communication. You will practice speaking English with confidence through repetition. And most importantly, you will learn how to bring meaning, energy, and happiness into your life. So this is not just an English lesson. This is also a lesson about self-growth, hope, purpose, and living fully. Now relax your mind, stay focused, and let's begin. Today we're going to talk about a beautiful and meaningful idea. Give life to your life. Think about these words carefully. Many people are alive, but they are not truly living. Some people wake up every morning without purpose. Some people spend their days with stress, fear, sadness, or hopelessness. Some people stop dreaming because life becomes difficult. But life is not meant to be lived without joy, hope, or meaning. Life becomes beautiful when we decide to truly live it. Now let's practice some English sentences together. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. I choose to live fully. I bring positive energy into my life. I believe in my future. I become stronger every day. Very good. Now let's go deeper. What does it mean to give life to your life? It means bringing purpose into your days. It means waking up with hope. It means continuing to move forward even during difficult times. It means filling your life with positive actions, healthy thoughts, kindness, learning, and growth. A person without purpose often feels empty, but a person with goals and dreams feels alive inside. That is why goals are important. Goals give direction to life. Dreams give energy to the heart. Now repeat after me. I have dreams. I work for my future. My life has meaning. Excellent. Now think about nature. A river continues to flow. The sun rises every morning. Trees continue to grow slowly day by day. Nature teaches us an important lesson. Life must keep moving forward. Even when difficulties come, we must continue growing. Some days will be painful. Some days will be disappointing. But difficult moments are not the end of life. Storms do not last forever. Dark nights are followed by sunrise. Now repeat after me slowly. I never lose hope. I continue moving forward. I become wiser through challenges. Very good. Now let's talk about happiness. Many people search for happiness in money, fame, or material things, but true happiness often comes from simple things. A peaceful heart, a healthy mind, kind relationships, gratitude, helping others, learning new things. When you appreciate small blessings, life becomes more meaningful. Now think carefully. Do you spend time doing things that make your soul feel alive? Do you learn new skills? Do you spend time with people who encourage you? Do you take care of your mental and emotional health? These things are very important because life is more than simply existing. Now let's practice again. I value my life. I protect my peace. I create happiness from within. Excellent. Now let me tell you a short story. There was once a man who lived every day with sadness and negativity. He woke up without motivation. He believed life had no meaning. He complained about everything around him. One day, an old friend visited him and said, "Your life will not change unless you decide to change it." Those words stayed in his mind. Slowly, he began changing small habits. He started waking up early. He began reading positive books. He exercised daily. He practiced gratitude. He learned new skills and helped other people. Little by little, his life changed completely. The world around him did not magically change overnight, but his mindset changed. And when his mindset changed, his life became brighter and more meaningful. This story teaches us something powerful. To give life to your life, you must actively create positivity and purpose. Now think about your own life. Are you truly living, or are you simply surviving day by day? Do you spend time growing your mind and heart? Do you make time for your dreams? Remember this. Your future depends greatly on your daily habits and thoughts. Now repeat after me slowly and confidently. I create a meaningful life. I fill my life with positivity. I believe in better days. I become the best version of myself. Very good. Now let's go even deeper. Life becomes more meaningful when we help others. A kind word can heal someone's heart. A smile can brighten someone's day. Encouraging another person can change their future. When you bring hope into other people's lives, your own life also becomes richer and more beautiful. That is the beauty of kindness and compassion. Now take a deep breath and repeat after me. I spread kindness. I bring hope to others. I live with purpose and gratitude. Excellent. At the end of this video, remember one important truth. Give life to your life. Do not live without purpose. Do not lose hope because of temporary difficulties. Do not stop dreaming. Fill your life with learning, kindness, gratitude, discipline, and positivity, because life becomes beautiful when your heart becomes alive with purpose and hope. Keep learning English, keep improving yourself, and keep moving forward toward a meaningful and joyful life. Thank you again for watching this video and supporting this channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.